Wolfgang, we're still doing a talent show here.
Yeah, could you play your glockenspiel someplace else, please?
Yeah?
Can you do it?
Oh, thanks.
Hey, guys. How's your talent show going?
Oh, fine now. And here's our next talent, Leela.
Oh.
Wait. I've already been on your talent show.
Back by popular demand.
It's the talent.
But I'm in a hurry. I have to deliver this laundry.
Oh my gosh.
But if you leave, we won't have any talent.
For our talent show.
Oh.
Okay.
Jen.
Maybe I could do a little dance.
A little tap dancing music, please. Ah, look. She's tap dancing next to the laundry.
And now she's tap dancing in front of the laundry.
Aha! She's now dancing behind the laundry.
Now she's dancing all around the laundry.
And now she's dancing with the laundry.
Wow.
Now the laundry is dancing with her.
Yeah.
Are those my shorts?
Oh my gosh.
Sorry about that.
I knew it.
I was just delivering your laundry to you.
Oh, never mind. Give it here. I'll take it.
Okay then.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what are you going to do for your next talent, Leela?
I really should get back to work.
Oh, but you're our only talent.
For our talent show. Oh, it's Wolfgang again.
He's here.
Wolfgang, you're still playing your glockenspiel too close to us
We're
here.
trying to have a talent show here.
Wait, that's a seal.
He's sporting.
Yeah, that's Wolfgang.
Look at him.
He's playing the glockenspiel.
Yes.
So,
That's a talent.
Yes.
All the time we've been chasing away the talent. Thanks, Leela.
Thank
Back
you.
to work, guys. See you later.
bye-bye.
And now, the Big Bird and Snuffy talent show is proud to present
Wolfgang the Seal and his glockenspiel.
Boys and girls. Oh, no. Oh boy, look.
This is the greatest talent show ever, Bird.
It Sure Is.
Thanks for coming at the talent show here. Thank you for all to the talent show.